Back home, Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Western, Hayles, is calling for a Ganja Amnesty as he claims there's been an uptick in police raids since farmers in his constituency of Orange Hill have made steps to get regularized. Kimberly Petty explains.
It's been just over a month since over 500 ganja farmers gathered in Orange Hill, Westmoreland, where they got registered to become regularized. Ever since, the residents allege that the police have been conducting several raids, resulting in arrests. This, they say, have dampened their spirits as they're genuinely anticipating the freedom to go to their farms unbothered. Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Western, Hayles, has been instrumental in getting the farmers regularized. He showed her news team just over 1,000 applications he's received from farmers who just want to do the right thing.
These Jamaicans don't want to plant ganja illegally. They want to do it legally. And they have gone so far, they have gone through almost the entire process of filling out all their applications. All I'm appealing to you, and don't get me wrong, I follow the laws of the land, but we have some problems. The imported ganja is still being sold in Jamaica as we speak.
Mr. Hayles pointed to the importation of ganja and also noted that many of the ganja farmers are eager to get their lives back on track as they were impacted by Hurricane Melissa. And so he made this appeal.
Prime Minister, Minister, National Security Commissioner, see here 1,000 applications or more in front of me. Which, when you extrapolate this is over 5,000 of our citizens who is asking to plant and to cultivate legally. I'm asking for a pause. I'm asking for an amnesty. Let me finish registering up everybody. Let everybody sign up to be legal. And then you guys can come in and deal with those that don't sign up.
Eaton Owens, a resident of the community, expressed disappointment with the frequent police raids. Mr. Owens said he's been living in the community for years and it's one of the safest in Jamaica. And the ganja farmers aren't the only ones being raided. While our news team was in the community, there was an active police raid taking place at the Blue Hole Mineral Spring, a popular tourist attraction. This CCTV footage showed the police officers on the property as these guests took a seat.
So I am a little bit disappointed being the fact that we have our marijuana license, sacramental marijuana license, and to see them just show up. We're a tourist-based business, right? So for the tourists to be here, most tourists come here to just relax and enjoy the beauty of Jamaica and the beauty of Blue Hole Mineral Spring. So for them to just be here and see them pop in just like that with their big guns, I think they're a little bit scared because that wasn't called for, to be honest.
SSP Othniel Dobson is the commanding officer for the Westmoreland Police Division.
There are intelligence-based operations based on persons who are contributing to the illegal ganja trade, which is part and parcel of the gun for drugs trade affecting Jamaica and Westmoreland.
Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.